on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at the secret auction location to go through some cars. So let's get into it and let's check them out. So any of you that's watched my channel for any length of time, you know how indecisive I am and you know how I change cars more than most people change their socks. Well, I'm considering potentially getting rid of the Viper, and I'm on a Honda kick now. I've never bought a new Honda or a barely used Honda, so I'm thinking maybe it's time to take the leap and try out a Honda. So here's one. I'm assuming this is probably like a 2020 Honda Accord. It is a touring model. It's an Avis budget, so it should be a previous rental car. It's got curbed wheels and it's not perfect, but the body lines look good. The paint looks good. The tires look good. Let's take a look at the interior. Leather, sunroof. Smells like a rental car. Okay, I'm kidding. It doesn't smell that bad. I wonder if this thing is like the Civic and it gets like 40 miles a gallon. I'm telling you, 40 miles a gallon sounds damn good. You think it's got air-conditioned seats? Surely not. Surely not. Oh, man, I'm going to hope, though. Okay. All right. Woo. 49,000 miles on the odometer. All right. She's got a little miles on her. I still don't know what year it is. We should probably take a look at that real quick. Let's see. It is a, oh wow, it's an older one. It's a 19. So she's a few years old. No warning lights on the dash. Okay, it says average fuel economy 28.5. That's not horrible. I was really hoping for air-conditioned seats. Sport mode, and it turns the gauge cluster kind of a red color. Ooh, eco mode, green. Yeah, let's turn on sport mode and hope that it makes the air conditioning better, because, oh, it does have ventilated seats. Look right there. It does. Oh, dude. No! No! No, no, no! I don't want to drive a Honda. I mean, no offense to you Honda people out there. No offense at all. I love Hondas. I really do. It's just, I would much rather drive my Viper. But the truth is, I'm really considering just outright buying a Honda. A Civic or an Accord, I'm not really sure. I think the Accord would make a little more sense, truthfully. It's a little bigger, a little more roomy. I think I would use an Accord more than I would use the Viper. I've said it a million times, like, I don't owe that much on the Viper. I could literally trade in the Viper on a new Accord or slightly used Accord and probably walk away with a little bit of cash still in my pocket. At worst, I might pay 10 grand out of pocket, tops, for a brand new Accord. So that's what I'm thinking. I talked to Jessica thinking she was going to laugh at me, and she told me that it's probably the best idea I've had in regards to a car purchase in a long time. And that made me really, really sad, because I think I make great decisions on cars. Apparently, she does not concur. Man, this is, I am shocked. I am pleasantly shocked. These are a lot nicer than I gave them credit for. I didn't know. I didn't know because I'm not a Honda guy. And I am almost ashamed to admit that I could really see myself giving up a Viper. A Viper for a family sedan. What? What? That's difficult. That's difficult to admit. It's difficult to accept. Does that mean I'm getting old? Or does it just mean I'm finally starting to become a little more financially responsible? This wheel right here has got some curb rash. I mean, it's not bad. It's got really nice tires there. Road Tour. Who makes those? I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't matter. They've got good tread. They've got good tread, and this is a really nice looking car. Full of tech. A four-banger, really? Really? Okay. I am not gonna lie, I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. I did not think this was a 4-cylinder. Looks like she's got adaptive cruise control. You look right there. Yeah. This bad boy is loaded, guys. She's loaded. And those headlights, those are probably one of those things you either love them or you hate them. I don't know exactly where I stand on them. They look a little weird. It's got heads-up display too? What? I think I have just turned into a Honda, man. I do. I really do. This is a nice car. Look at all the buttons on the steering wheel. I kind of love this car. I would like one a little newer. I'd like one with a little less miles on it. But I could do this. I'm actually gonna go home. What is this? Near field communication? What, you hold your phone up here or something? What does that do? Yeah, I'm highly tempted to go home and start searching for a Honda Accord, and I think I'm going to consider either selling or trading in my Viper. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's the heads-up display right there, right in the dead center of your screen right there. You can barely see it, but it's there. This would be great for all the crap that I got to run errands and do. I can't imagine how much money I would save on fuel. Not to mention, tires alone were over $2,000 for the Viper. Tires for this are probably, what, 500 bucks? I know we're comparing apples to potatoes here, right? Completely different cars for completely different purposes, but I'm just thinking out loud here, guys. Comment below and tell me what you think. Do you think it would be the more responsible thing to trade in or sell the Viper and get a Honda? I don't know. Let's see what you guys think down in the comment section below. Next on my list, the Chevy Silverado 2500 with a ranch hand bumper, some work lights. Wonder how many miles this bad boy's got on her. She's a heavy duty model. I like this truck. I mean, it is a work truck, obviously, but look at that bed. Diamond plate toolbox. You got spotlights on the back, a big one up there, big old light bar with your spotlights there. This is nice. This is real nice. Oh, wow. Okay, let me zoom you guys in here a little bit. DC to AC power inverter. That sucker is huge. Ames Power. Ames Corporation. Good Lord, that thing looks like it means business. You tell me. I'm guessing. Oh wow. Okay. A Ram Tough Tray. So this thing is purpose built, and I really like it. I really like this. I don't need it. I don't need it. I'm just browsing. I was on my way to go record another car, and I saw this, and I was like, no, I really want to check this out. I really want to show you guys this. How cool is that power inverter right there? That thing is, truthfully, it's kind of ridiculous. Does the seat even still go down? I can't get the seat to move, so for now I'm going to say that's a no. It's a flex fuel vehicle. I'm sure it's got a 5.3 in it. Seats aren't that bad. Just curious about the miles though. Let's fire the old girl up. Oh, dead as a doornail, huh? You got all your different lights and stuff right there. 4x4. Oh, it's in neutral. It's just sitting here in neutral, and the e-brake is not on. Oh boy. Okay, that could have gone bad. What is this? Inverter AC mode. All right, well, let's pop the hood. It's already popped. Just take a look, see what she's working with. We don't have to start this one, guys. Truthfully, I've been out here for a couple hours. It is insanely hot. I am ready to go. And the last car is the Corvette Stingray that is sitting in the shade. So this is not one I'm really interested in at all. I have no use for this truck. I don't. But the Corvette, definitely interested in it. But you know me, probably not going to buy it. This is a 2017 FFV, fuel-friendly vehicle with a 6-liter, not the 5.3. I was wrong. I should have known better. It is a 2500, not a 1500. This is a heavy-duty truck, so of course it would have the 6-liter engine. It's a good-looking truck, though. I like it. If I needed a truck, I would definitely consider it, but I've got the Ram. I got the Power Wagon. I have no use for this. Let's move on to the Corvette. All right, last on my list, we saved the best for last. 2016 Stingray with 49,000 miles on the odometer. Of course, it's sitting protected from the sun and everything. Beautiful car. Not the hugest fan of the white, but I'll be honest with you, I think the white with the black accents and the red calipers, I think it looks really good. I think it looks really good. Low miles, so I would assume there's probably nothing seriously wrong with this car. Maybe it was a trade-in. Let's take a look at the interior. Oh, it's got my favorite color combo. No, it is the red on black. Oh man, I miss my Stingray. So much easier to get in than the Viper. You got your black ice, little trees, automatic. Oh wow. That's about ridiculous. Good Lord. Can't even hear yourself think. That's a little better. That's a little better. That's a little bit. Check engine light is on. Not that I'm really surprised. You got different modes, nothing for the exhaust. That exhaust is absolutely stupid loud. I'm not even joking, like, that is stupid loud. Turn it off to finish talking to you guys. Yep, it's a Corvette. We got some aftermarket wires running through here, disconnected, in fact. That's a little weird. We'll go on the other side and latch that down as well. There we go. Yeah, she's ridiculous. Shut her off. Wow. Okay. So she's got the 8-speed transmission. She's an automatic. Mine was a 2019 Stingray with a manual transmission. Completely stock, like nothing crazy. It was brand spanking new when I bought it. Didn't have the best of luck with that car. But I can't lie, I just love the body style. I really do. And believe it or not, daily driving one is not that bad. They actually handle potholes and dirt roads and stuff relatively well. They're a very mild-mannered, daily drivable car for sure. This one I was watching because I was like, well, maybe I get rid of the Viper and get another sports car, and this would qualify. I would be happy with this. Went for like $47,000, maybe $49,000. I thought that was relatively cheap, considering I paid $60 for mine, brand new on the showroom floor, for a complete base model with a manual transmission. I paid $60 grand for mine in 2019. So being able to get one for $50 just a few years later, it doesn't seem like such a bad deal. I don't know. Comment below, tell me what you think though. This one, whew, apparently it didn't sell because it's still here and it's still got its stickers. But I would consider this. But truthfully, if I'm being completely honest with myself, I don't need another sports car. I really don't. I have no need for one. They're fun. They're great to have. It's nice to like show off, I guess. But at the end of the day, I think I need a Honda more than a Corvette. I don't know. You guys comment below and tell me what you think. Honda or another sports car? We're done. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.